Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto E20 and let me show you how to turn on and off the camera sound at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let's take a picture. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, we have to go to right corner button so we can open camera settings, and here in capture settings category at the first place we have capture sound option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. Now let me keep it turned off when we move back to the camera, and when I take another picture we can't hear anything now. And of course when we pick right corner button once again and capture sound, we can turn it on and hear it. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.